Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to sign up for Binance, the cryptocurrency futures exchange most widely used around the world, so that even beginners can easily understand the process. First, if you sign up through the link written in the description below this video, you will receive a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance along with various bonus benefits. Therefore, I recommend signing up through the link in the description below. First, I will guide you on how to create a Binance account. If you access the link in the video description, you will be directed to the Binance registration page. On the left side, you can confirm that the lifetime 20% fee discount and bonus benefits are applied. Now let's create the account. You can create your account using either an email address or a mobile number. Please choose whichever method you prefer. Once you finish entering your information, check the box to agree to the terms below, and click the Continue button. Next, select the image that matches the word shown in the top left corner. A verification code will then be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Please enter the verification code that was sent. Next, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letters, and numbers. For security reasons, it is recommended to create a strong and complex password. If an inviter code input screen appears in the next step, make sure to click the Yes button. In the code input field, please enter BB333. If you enter this code, you will receive the lifetime 20% Binance fee discount and bonus benefits, so please make sure to enter it. This inviter code cannot be entered after the registration is completed, so you must enter it at this stage. Once you complete these steps, your Binance account will be successfully created. Next, I will guide you through the KYC verification process. On Binance, KYC identity verification is required in order to use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions. Since this process includes face verification, it is recommended to complete it on your mobile device. First, install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Then log in using the account you just created on your PC. After logging in, you will immediately be directed to the identity verification page. First, select your nationality. Next, proceed with ID verification. From the list of several ID options shown below, please select one identification document that is convenient for you. In today's video, we will proceed using a passport. To take a photo of your ID, press Take Pictures. Once your ID is ready, click the Continue button. When the camera screen appears, place the passport information page inside the frame on the screen, and take a clear photo without light reflection. After completing the ID photo, you will immediately proceed to the face verification stage. Place your face inside the frame on the screen, and follow the instructions to perform simple actions, such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once this process is completed, your KYC verification request will be submitted. The KYC review is usually completed within about 1 hour. And once it is approved shortly after, your Binance KYC verification will be successfully completed. Finally, I will guide you on how to set up Google security. To keep your account safe, it is recommended to enable Google security for stronger protection. Now please move back to the PC screen. Click the account menu on the left. Then select the security section below. To activate the Authenticator app, click the Manage button next to it. Then click the Enable Authenticator app button below. If a verification code is sent to your email or mobile, enter the verification code that was sent. Then an Authenticator link pop-up window will appear. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After opening the app, press the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scan screen appears, scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. Once the QR code scan is completed, a 6-digit code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app under the name Binance. This 6-digit code refreshes every 60 seconds, so please make sure to check it carefully. Now return to the Binance PC screen, and click the Next button below. Then enter the 6-digit code displayed in the Google Authenticator app into the Authenticator app code input field. Once this process is completed, Google Authenticator will be activated, and your Binance security setup will be completed. In today's video, I explained how to sign up for Binance, the cryptocurrency futures exchange most widely used around the world, so that even beginners can easily follow along step by step. If you have any questions or difficulties during the registration process, please feel free to leave a comment anytime. Your subscriptions and likes greatly support the channel. Thank you for watching.